Hello, welcome to the Metals Morning Daily News brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I'm Neeraj Rawal reporting live from the Mumbai office on 25th May 2017. US Fed minutes released yesterday showed that inflation rate in America has dipped to 2.2% after hitting a high of 2.7%. Unemployment numbers too were at the lowest at 4.4%. However, during the first quarter of 2017, GDP has expanded by a dismal 0.7%, its slowest growth rate since 2014. Thus, the Federal Open Market Committee decided to leave interest rates unchanged in May and continue to maintain an accommodative stance. Market participants are expecting a rate hike in the upcoming Fed meeting, with the Fed Watch tool published by the CME Group giving an 80% for a rate hike. Post the Fed minutes, dollar index settled lower by 0.11% at 97.15. In early Asian trade, the dollar index has slipped further, trading at 96.83, down by 0.12%. Spot euro slipped in trade yesterday due to increased geopolitical risk based on the recent terror strikes. Euro settled at 1.1193 to the dollar, down by 0.20%. Late evening comments by the European Central Bank President, however, provided much support to prices. As per the statements of Mr. Draghi, the ECB will reduce asset purchases, thus signaling a possible increase in Eurozone interest rates towards the end of 2017. Indian rupee too depreciated yesterday, affected by a weak equity market, settling lower by 0.20% at 64 rupees and 85 paise. Indian origin spot offers for 62.61 Fe iron ore during the month of May have dropped by 8.57%. Offers dropped from $70 per ton to $64 per ton CFR South Korea. Indian ore producers have booked 3 years contracts with 8 large South Korean integrated steel mills like POSCO, Hyundai Steel, etc. Spot offers for 62 Fe iron ore imported into China has also decreased in the month of May nearly by 4% to just under $60 per ton. Further weakness in price is expected on account of Moody's downgrade for China's credit rating. Weakness in the dollar index could not boost base metal prices, which fell mainly on concerns of growth of the Chinese economy. Nickel 3-month forwards traded on the London Metal Exchange fell most by 2.62% to settle at $9,100 per ton, while lead settled lower by 1% to $2,075 per ton. Aluminium prices, however, bucked the trend yesterday and settled marginally higher by 0.10% at $1,945 per ton. Thank you for listening. Do join us again for the evening updates from the metals market. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.